Hey everyone, welcome. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, Independent Couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, please make sure you say hello, and in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. I would love it if you would share my video. So, hey guys, welcome. It is early afternoon on Sunday. I know I'm coming to you kind of early today. It's my day off and there is a Steeler game on and I want to watch it with my husband and make some wings and have a good night. So I decided to come to you a little bit early today. I'm going to be doing just a simple fun design so that you can see how our products work if you are new. Hey Tony, welcome. So for those of you that are new and you don't know what this is a company called Chalk Couture. We are a revolutionary concept in DIY home decor and crafting. You will not find our products anywhere else. We do offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. Hey Lorelei, welcome. And then we have a line of chalkology chalk paste in 29 different colors. And then we have our couture inks, which come in 24 different colors. We do offer a line of surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frame, canvas pillowcases, and totes. But you can use our products on an array of surfaces like wood, tin, dry erase boards. The list is on, and then we have our inks that you can use to make permanent, where you can do dish towels and t-shirts. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you in the new year is a ground floor innovative DIY home decor business for just $99. So as you are watching this, if you're seeing what I'm doing, you love it. If you're a crafter and you think this is the coolest thing you've ever seen, you've never heard of it, please reach out to me. I would love to share this opportunity with you. It's going to be an amazing year. Hey, Melissa, welcome. For Chalk Couture, we have a lot of great things coming out. I will be attending our leadership conference in January, which they are going to launch our new catalog, new systems, new programs for designers. It's just going to be a phenomenal year, and you guys, I would love to share that with you. So please reach out to me or comment info or me below, and I would love to get you that information. So let's get my screens all set up so you can see what I am doing today. I'm going to take this little thing that says hello and share out of the video just so you can see what I'm doing. But please, as you come in, make sure you say hello to me. I always love to welcome our guests. So you guys, what I'm going to be using today, this is our 9x12 boxwood frame. Now, I can tell you this was a design that I had done over the Thanksgiving holiday. So this is the one side you can chalk on. But what's really nice is you can actually use both sides of this. So yes, I do have my pumpkin spice and everything nice on the one side. But now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to use the dark side. And I actually love this color. So I'm going to chalk on the back of this. Now, being that I am using wood, I actually did wax my surface. And I use a Min Wax finishing paste. It's just a regular, let me see if I can pop this open really quick for you. I know I've shown this in my other videos, but it is just kind of like a wax. I just get a paper towel, I rub it all over my surface, and then I kind of like wipe it off a little bit so there's no excess left over. I'll let it dry for like 10 minutes, and then my surface is great to chalk on. The reason you like to wax things, definitely if it's a porous surface, it's a great idea to wax it, but it's really good for your transfers because certain surfaces they will adhere to because there is an adhesive side to it. So I do like to wax my surfaces. It's just better for our products. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing a simple design today for the new year that says I can do hard things. Now, I don't know if you read in the beginning of my video, I have my little blurb that talks about what I'm doing today. I would love for you to share with me what, if you don't do resolutions, you know, it's always nice in the new year to start something new or something that you want to promise to yourself or a goal. Tell me what that is, and I'd love to share and cheer you on. And let me know what your goal is or resolution for the new year. I know you guys saw that. See my board? I have it hanging up there. Whoop, whoop. There's my vision board I did the other night live. So I'm just real excited for what's to come in 2019. So this is, like I said, this is our I Can Do Hard Things transfer. Now what's really great, like I mentioned, if those of you that are new, our transfers are reusable. So right on the back, it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. As long as you care for your transfers, you guys, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of just one transfer. So maybe you have a family event coming up, or you know somebody that you would love to make something for. And you know what? DIY is really, it's the trend. It is just the beginning of this trend, and you can create something beautiful for someone and everything turns out so professional. Wait till you see, if this is your first time checking out what Chalk Couture is all about. It's just really cool that you can do this and everything comes out so great. So I just cut that apart because there is 2 pieces. This is going to be a little bit of a layering. Now you always want to write on the back of your transfers so that you know which side your transfer is going to be placed back on once you clean it up. And clean up, you guys, it's super easy. Just to show you off to the side, I have this basic little tin pan. I bought these at Costco because this is what I take for my workshops that I do locally. I just filled it up with water and I have it off to the side here. So when I'm done using my transfer, I'm going to place it in there. Then I use our fancy Clorox wipes that you can buy at Costco or wherever you shop. I wipe them off with that because the Clorox is going to reactivate the adhesive for you. I let them air dry and they are sticky again and able to be reused. Now, I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to rub it over my edge to get it started. You see that? No picking at the corners. Hey, Mia, welcome. Rub your finger over the edge to get it started. I always like to flip my transfers over and remove the carrier sheet from the transfer. Now I am going to fuzz this up because it's a brand new transfer and it's going on a wood surface. So I am going to fuzz it up, and that just means placing it on my terry cloth towel just to get some little fuzzies on the back. Hey Gail, welcome. I'm going to do this down here in the corner, because this is where I want it, because I'm going to just add a little pop at the end, you'll see. I'm going to place this in my corner, and this I'm going to display on my desk because I can do hard things. I have a lot of huge goals in 2019 that I want to accomplish. So, just going to smooth that out, and this is just going to be my reminder. Now, I'm going to do just 2 colors. I'm going to do white and black. I hope the black shows up, actually. But let's just hope it works that way. Hey, Linda, welcome. I'm going to be using our white and black Chalkology chalk paste. Now, our chalk paste is water-soluble and semi-permanent. So it goes on as a liquid and dries as a solid. This is our multi-purpose tool, and I'm just going to use this to stir it up. Now, your chalk paste should be like a sour yogurt consistency. If for any reason it isn't, you totally can add water. So I don't know if you guys got to see that. See how it's kind of like coming off of my little tool there? This is pretty good. So I think I'm okay with this. And again, this is going to be just a simple design. You know, we have a ton of different colors. We have 29 different colors. So if you have a different decor or if you have a different idea, you can totally make it what you want. This is just something I'm doing because I'm going to be adding a little bit of ribbon. Hey, Crystal. How are you? Here he comes to save the day.
Nope.
There he is.
Hi.
You haven't seen him in a while. There's Matthew. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi, buddy. We're doing a fun, easy little design today. So I'm just going to put that in my water. And what's nice, your squeegees, again, are reusable. So I just got a big glob of it. And I'm just pulling my chalk paste across that silkscreen area. Crystal, thank you so much for sharing. That really means a lot to me. So I truly appreciate it. And you guys, if you love what you see and you think this is the coolest thing and, you know, you can't believe how great it turned out, please share my video. It's the greatest compliment you could give. So I'm scraping off any excess and putting it right back in the jar. I'm going to try to get like those little lines out. I know it's probably hard to see on the video, but there's like lines of chalk paste. So I always try to scrape those off so it doesn't show in the project. Okay. And let's peel and reveal. No, Linda, this one is available. Check it out, you guys. Ta-da! And did you see how easy it was to remove the transfer? That's because I waxed my board. Now I'm just going to take this fancy little transfer, and I'm going to put it right in my tub of water, you guys. Nothing fancy. And I'm just moving it around, and I'm going to clean that up once we get off of the video. Oh, my hands. Hi, buddy. My hands are a little wet. So, no, Linda, this is actually available right on the website, which I will throw that up there for you really quick for those of you who want to check out my website while we're going on here. Now, this is going to involve a little bit of layering. So, oh, buddy, sorry. I'm just going to take my hair dryer and blow it dry to speed up the process. That's all I'm doing. It's on a hot setting, low speed, doesn't matter. You're just drying this so that you can continue. I hope everyone's enjoying their day. It's Sunday. Steelers are playing. Sorry if you're not a Steeler fan. But we are in New Jersey and we have not seen a Steeler game in a very long time. Because we are from Pittsburgh our whole life. We're going to make some wings in the air fryer. You guys, if you do not have an air fryer, and I know this is, we're showing you Chalk Couture, but if you do not have an air fryers are amazing. Like, that to me was one of the greatest inventions, was an air fryer. We love it. And like French fries and wings, they turn out so, excuse me, so good.
Especially chicken nuggets.
And chicken nuggets. See? All right, so we're going to do a little bit of layering. Sorry to get off topic there. So again, just taking my transfer, rubbing my finger over the edge, getting it started, and peeling the carrier sheet. Yeah! Almost had a little episode. So, you're going to layer this over top. And you guys, I don't know how well you can see this, but I hope it's good. When you have to layer like this, look how awesome it is that you can see right through there to line this up. Did you see that? It's so awesome. Our transfers are the greatest thing ever. Our products are amazing. This company is amazing. And 2019 is going to rock. Oh, Crystal. Tony, you need, and Tony, with you and your other business, I am telling you, you need an air fryer. They're amazing. I will never, ever not have one. Like, how, I think the calories you save, it's just crazy. Oh, yeah, Amy, definitely. They're the greatest. They are the greatest. All right, so I think I'm good. So I've got that layered. I'm just smoothing this out over that silk screen, and I'm going to get my black chalk paste. Matthew loves French fries, so I am so glad that the air fryer does not cook them in oil. Huh, buddy? They come out so good. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy good. My black is almost gone. So your chalk paste, just so you know, once your chalk paste is open, it'll last for 6 months. If it's unopened, it can last for up to a year. And like I said, if for any reason, like this one here, when I'm done, I'm going to scrape all this gunky stuff around the side. I'm going to spray some water in there. You don't ever want to waste your chalk paste. Water, what water does, it kind of helps reactivate it so it's not so thick. I'm just going to put that on there. Take my squeegee. Again, doesn't matter if you go up or down, left or right. How cute would this be for, like, maybe you have, if you have children, you know, to tell them they can do hard things. You know, school nowadays sometimes isn't easy for some children. You know, social media is crazy for children, but we're not going to talk about that. That's just crazy stuff. But, you know, you always want to tell your children good things and that they can do hard things. Anything's possible if you put your heart and mind to it. So how great would this sign be for them, where you could do it on a mirror in their bedroom? Oh, yeah. Right, Amy? All right, so now I'm just going to take my transfer. Oh, good. The black showed up. Nice, you guys. It showed up. It showed up great. Yay. So I'm just sticking that in the same tin of water. No big deal. I'll show you here so you can see. Look how great that looks, you guys. See, I've got my transfers right in that tin of water, and I'm going to clean it up when we're done. Nothing crazy. But that turned out great. The black showed up so, so good. I love it, you guys. So I'm going to dry that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Just going to dry that up. Oh, thanks, Mia. And then all I'm going to do is I got some black and white ribbon. I had this left over. I'm just going to take some black and white ribbon, you guys. And I had already pre-measured this, but I'm just going to take it and put it over this. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see. I'm just taking this and placing it over. Nothing fancy. You could, if you wanted to hot glue this, you could absolutely hot glue this. I'm going to stick that there, right on the top. And then I made myself this simple little bow that, again, nothing fancy with my bow. Another designer had done a tutorial on bows in one of our groups. And let me tell you here, real quick. No, Amy, you definitely do not add soap. It's just straight water. And it doesn't matter. You don't want to use hot. So when I do my bows, my water is just like a lukewarm. You just take a strand of ribbon, and this is what she showed us, which is super cool. You kind of make like a cancer ribbon. You have it like this. You pull this down, you guys. And I know this is really small. I used a really small piece. But you just take it down and gather it. And look, I just got a piece of twine. Cut that piece of twine. You could use a piece of ribbon, another piece of ribbon to give it that kind of circle effect. But tie it, and then you've got your cute little bow, and you could cut your little edges. Look. I mean, it's just a simple, easy, quick little bow. Unless you know how to do bows, then, you know, you can make it. And you just, the wired ribbon is a lot easier. And then you just fluff it and cut it. Sorry, I know I'm going on and on here. But like that. Oh, almost cut my finger. My scissors are not good. So then you've got a cute little bow. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, and like I said, I already had pre-made this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to tie it around the back, and then I have my cute little sign, you guys, and that's it. That's all I have done to make this cute sign that I'm going to leave on my desk back here so I can look at it every day to remind myself that I can do hard things. That simple. Do you love it? You guys, give me some hearts, give me some thumbs up. Again, if this is something that you are new to learning about, and you want to know more, just comment info or me below. Or if you want to share this because you know somebody that could absolutely love the saying or love the products that we offer, I would greatly appreciate it, you guys. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you are interested in being a part of my, hey Wendy, thank you, Mia, thank you Linda, thank you Gail. You guys, if you want to be a part of my VIP group, if you are not already, as long as you are not a designer, please comment VIP below and I will make sure you get that link. I have a really cool thing coming out in January called a chalk box that I just did a live video on in there. And then you guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to answer any questions you have about our products, or if you want to shop online, you can check out my website at chalkingwithjen.com. You guys, Have a great day, and thanks so much for watching. Happy chalking.